Just wanted to do a quick intro here for hopefully it'll be a short little video. I've got a little party to go to, birthday party in about a week, and I was going to take all the stuff I've been making on these videos that I still have, and I was just going to take them in a box and offer them to everybody at the party. Thought I'd make this little cross real quick. It's be a quick, simple little job, and throw it in the box with everything. So I thought I'd make a video while I was making it, because I love making crosses as well as boxes and Christmas ornaments and Christmas related items. Anyway, I've already mounted the pattern. I've already drilled the holes. I drilled pretty small holes, so I'll probably go down with a number 3 reverse tooth blade. This is 1/4 inch poplar. I'll probably stain it and maybe seal it if I have time. But anyway, let's move over to the scroll saw and I'll switch out the blade and we'll get to work on this. So I got this on the saw. I've checked the blade for straightness. I have actually it's a number 5. Flying Dutchman calls that a scroll reverse, which every 3rd tooth is a reverse blade, reverse tooth. And I'm going to cut this center part. I always start in the very center of everything when I'm cutting pieces. And then I'll work my way out from the center out. So here we go. So there it is. That is cut out. It cut really nicely, really quickly. It's easy wood to cut, and a brand new blade, so there wasn't any real problem with it. What I'm going to do, take it over the bench, pull the pattern off of it, and I'll probably stain it a little bit. I'm going to drill a 16th hole right up there, and we'll make all that done at that point, but we'll get it over there and look at it and see. Well, I'm real pleased with the way it turned out. It didn't cut as clean as I would like, but that's partially due to the wood. It's a little softer. If I'd had a harder wood like rosewood or a bloodwood or something like that, it probably would have cut really cleanly and had a shiny edge on it. But that turned out as well as I like. I'm going to drill that hole and stain it, and then we'll look at it and we'll see what we think if it's going to be okay. So I got a real small hole drilled up in the top of it to hang it with, and I've stained it with dark walnut. Poplar doesn't stain real well. It's not a real beautiful wood, but it's good for a lot of multiple purposes. It's just a little quick cross I was going to give away, offer it to somebody. But I'm going to call that done. I might, if the weather breaks for me in the next few days, before I go, I'm going to maybe seal it, but we'll see how that goes. And of course, we're going to have really cold weather for the next 3 or 4 days, as I understand it here, and can't spray outside, and I'm not going to do it in my shop. So anyway, I'm going to call that done. That was just a quick little project to make a little giveaway cross. And if you like that, we'll hit the like button, and I'll try to do more stuff like this.